Howdy, howdy. This video is for Phil and Brown Foundation Repair. Well, we spoke with Phil. My name is Joseph Graham. I'm with UpShot Solutions LLC, and we are the #1 online marketing consultants in the DFW. All right. So when I asked around for a pretty recommendable foundation repair company, you guys were referred over to us, right? That good old word of mouth. Now, what I'm going to discuss is how you guys can scale, generate more calls, make more sales. If this doesn't interest you, you can go ahead and cut this video short right now. What I did was I looked at your Google My Business map listing. Believe it or not, this is the most valuable asset that you have on the internet. Okay. Your website would be an asset, and it only is an asset if it's ranked on page 1, right? For these different services that you offer. So for mudjacking, if you guys rank on page 1, for foundation repair, if it's ranked on page 1, that's when it's an asset. So whenever anybody's doing a search for like a foundation repair or a freaking foot doctor or a foot surgeon or a ballerina teacher, they're gonna do look, anybody looking for any service, the first thing they're gonna do is like ask their inner circle, like people they know, hey, do you know anybody that can like correct my foundation or fix these cracks in my walls or whatever, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You need to call Brown's Foundation Repair, right? That's how you get the word of mouth referrals. Other than that, Phil, people are going to go on the internet and they're going to search, right? They're going to do these Google searches. They're going to see all these companies running ads. And then you're going to see these organic map listings. These top 3 businesses in these map listings get 75 to 80% of the traffic. So for brick and mortars, that means 75% of the foot traffic. And for phone driven businesses like us, that means the phone calls, right? So knowing that the money is in these map listings, this is why your GMB is the most valuable asset. Now, when we run your map listing through our heat map tool, it shows everywhere you are and are not ranking in specific areas. So in this area, literally right here, Northwest Dallas, yeah. When someone's in this area and they search for foundation repair, you're going to be #2, right? But if anyone goes down the street, like Las Colinas or anywhere else, this is where you rank. You rank #9 over here in Farmers Branch. That means there's 8 businesses stacked on top of you. They're doing business with one of these top 3. And with this map, you can actually search and see where some of these other companies are ranking, right? So Auslan, really everyone else is picking up Auslan's. These bigger, they have to do a lot of work after these guys. Like these guys suck. So, but they're making the first sale, right? And then a couple years later, you guys probably have to go out and fix some piers or whatever that they did. So how do you correct this? All right, how do you guys correct and start ranking well in these other areas? One thing you could do is start listing locations. Let's see. I don't know if you have a locations page. Well, you need a whole page full of your locations, right? The other thing you can do, congrats on getting 51 reviews, by the way. That's freaking awesome. But I tell you what, I can go through all these reviews, but how many people actually list where they're from? See, this would be awesome if he stated where he was from. Not one time does he state where he's from. All right? Not once. So in these reviews, you need to start requesting people state what neighborhood or city that they're from, right? Something like this. Let's say, and then what would be awesome is pulling teeth, man, but it's worth it. Pull them out. If someone like that guy, Michael, you know how he took those pictures and uploaded them? Chances are that those are geotagged pictures. Okay, what that means is that he had his location. You want them to have their location turned on their cell phone when they take these pictures, because that geotag. So if I took this picture in my backyard, right, with my location on, that geotagged this photo. So that's one breadcrumb, two breadcrumb, and I leave two breadcrumbs for Google to find. Now you're going to leave a third breadcrumb. You're going to create a post. Your post is going to say something similar to this. We got another happy client from Garland, Texas, and if you want, re-upload this photo. That's four breadcrumbs. Now guess what? In Garland, where's Garland? You guys start becoming more relevant in Garland, Texas. That's just one way to do it, man. This is one way to do it. Um, I mean, I could jump into the website and all that, but I rather that's another time. But the point is, it's possible to dominate Dallas. Like Dallas is a little bit smaller than Philly. We do this for a lot of companies all across the United States. So for Philly, we're number one when it comes to foundation repair and waterproofing, right? Mainly foundation repair. And here's just a zoomed out version. This is New Jersey. This water separates Camden. This is New Jersey, and this is Pennsylvania, right? And whenever you start dominating, and this is just one GMB that we ranked. We have multiple, and each one kind of produces, a large amount of phone calls, right? So this is from December to today, which is January 5th. So just one GMB dominating this area. This is what happens, right? So it's possible. And with that said, if you have any questions, I'm gonna shoot this map over to you. I can just click on this button right here and share it with you. All right. Uh, God bless. Happy New Year's. All right. Thanks. Thanks for watching.